Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 5 EVS Chapter 8, A Treat for Mosquitoes. First, I'll be explaining this chapter. The main concepts I'll be explaining, then we'll get into the worksheet of this lesson. What is a mosquito? Mosquitoes are common flying insects. There are more than 3,500 types of mosquitoes. Not all the mosquitoes bite people or animals, only female mosquitoes bite. Some mosquitoes bite but do not spread germs. These types mosquitoes are called as nuisance mosquitoes. Next, adult mosquitoes live indoors or outdoors. They can bite us even in daytime. They can live up to 2 to 8 weeks depending upon the species, temperature and environmental factors. Female mosquitoes often live longer than male mosquitoes. Only female mosquitoes bite to get blood meal because they need blood meal to produce eggs. Mosquitoes get infected with germs such as viruses, parasites when they bite infected people and animals. So these are the ways to prevent mosquitoes. So you should not let water collect around our house, and we can use mosquito nets, spray kerosene if water has collected at some place to avoid spreading of mosquitoes. Next, we'll see what is anemia. Anemia is a condition where the body does not have enough RBCs, red blood cells, to carry enough oxygen to various tissues and organs. The symptoms may be fatigue, weakness, often they feel tired, pale skin, and irregular heartbeats, dizziness, chest pain. All these are symptoms. Next, observe the following pictures and fill in the blanks. The dash is a baby mosquito which comes from eggs which the mosquitoes lay in stagnant water, larva. The instrument that we see here is microscope. Germs can be observed under it. He's a scientist named Ronald Ross. He's the person who discovered that malaria is spreaded by female Anopheles mosquito. He got Nobel Prize in 1902. From early times, the dried and powdered bark of cinchona tree was used to make a medicine for malaria. Now tablets are made from this cinchona tree. So observe the pictures. Why they are used? Why do we use them? As mosquito coil, mosquito nets, mosquito repellent. All these are used to protect ourselves from mosquito bites. How much blood is needed to test malaria? Only 2 to 3 drops. From early times, which tree bark was used to prepare medicine for malaria? It is cinchona tree. How much blood is needed to test anemia? Full syringe you need. Next, anemia is caused by the deficiency of iron. In which season malaria is most common? In monsoon. Ronald Ross got the Nobel Prize for medicine. Next, Ronald Ross got the Nobel Prize in the year 1902. What does a mosquito do when it bites us? It sucks the blood from our body. Which symptom is shown by a person suffering from malaria? Fever, which is spreaded by housefly. So the answer is dysentery. Symptoms of dysentery is indigestion, loose motion, vomiting, all these. True or false? Anemia affects both physical and mental health. True. Doctor suggested R3 to eat jaggery, amla and more green leafy vegetables to recover from anemia. Yes, malaria cannot be diagnosed with blood test. False. Fever with chills and rigors is a symptom of malaria. Yes, it is true. Ronald Ross was awarded Nobel Prize for discovering dengue mosquito. False. Next, filling the blanks is given. First question, algae or some king of small plants that grow in water. Flies carry germs from one place to another. Dash water. Stagnant water is the breeding ground for mosquitoes. Green leafy vegetables like lettuce contain iron. Anemia affects both physical and mental health. Medicine for malaria is made from the bark of cinchona tree. Malaria spreads through female Anopheles mosquito. Now, in which season is malaria more common? In rainy season. So, how do you protect from yourself from malaria? By using mosquito nets, coils, repellents, creams, by keeping the surrounding clean. How is medicine for malaria made? Made from the cinchona tree. Name some foods that increase iron in your diet. You can write jaggery, amla, green leafy vegetables. What is anemia? It is a condition of less hemoglobin or iron in the blood. Problems caused by anemia is it affects physical and mental health. Children do not grow properly. Energy level will be low. Always they'll feel tired. How does cleaning tank, cooler and pits prevent malaria? Because these places are stagnant water, when they are clean, we can avoid spreading of mosquitoes. Which diseases are spread by flies and how? Cholera, typhoid, dysentery, all these are spreaded by flies. Who is supposed to get the gutters and drains repaired? You have to contact the municipality. What can you do so that mosquitoes do not breed in your house, school and neighborhood? We have to make the surrounding clean and remove the stagnant water if there is any stagnant water. How can you find out if someone has malaria? So if he has fever with chills and rigors, and you can test it with blood test. Circle the food item rich in iron. Jaggery, curry leaves. Here amla is also rich in iron. Next, life cycle of mosquito. This is the life cycle of mosquito from adult. You will be having eggs, larva, pupa and then adult. The cycle goes on. Next, write the difference between malaria and anemia. So, malaria is a communicable disease spread by female Anopheles mosquito. Anemia is a deficiency disease. Symptoms are fever with chills and rigors. Here, the symptoms would be paleness, tiredness and loss of appetite. Quinine tablets, which these are made from cinchona tree. That is given for malaria. For anemia, you have to take iron-rich food and iron tablets. So, this is about class 5 EVS. Chapter 8, Treat for Mosquitoes. Hope this video is useful and understanding. Thanks for watching.